All right, got the universal eyebrow pencil, and I'm really curious about this because I have super dark eyebrows. They're also really thin from years and years of over plucking them, so I do have to draw mine in, and I have dark ones. So is this gonna work for me? I hope so. It's got really good reviews, so let's check it out. It's paraben-free, vegan, cruelty-free. Oh, I love that it has one side with the brush so you can kind of brush your eyebrows in place first. And then this is gonna be the other side. It's a non-sharpening, which means that you just twist it to bring it up. And it looks like a dark brown color. Now, I don't even have a mirror in front of me, so I'm gonna literally use the camera to do this. We'll see how well that works. And I'm just doing little strokes. Oh yeah, it definitely is a universal color. Wow. That's so cool. Okay, so already you can just see like the difference right there. And then I'm gonna do the downside here. Okay, all right. So one eyebrow down, one not. And I would definitely kind of go a few times over it to get it a little thicker. But let's just do this one too. I have to start this one a little farther over. Oh yeah, this totally works. And what I love about it is that it glides really well. So let me just draw my hand too, just so you guys can see. It glides so well on. Universal color. So yes, I have super dark eyebrows, but that blended perfectly. I am definitely impressed. $1 billion brows. Thank you. This is a good one.